How much do you know about home remodeling? Test your knowledge with this quick and fun pop quiz. Discover remodeling tips, trends, and must-know facts. Ready to challenge yourself? Let's go!
What does PEX stand for in plumbing? The answer is polyethylene cross-linked. What's the standard height for a kitchen countertop? The answer is 36 inches. In home remodeling, what does the term load-bearing wall mean? The answer is a wall that supports structural weight. Which insulation material is considered best for soundproofing? The answer is rock wool. When replacing windows, what does the term U-factor measure? The answer is heat loss. Got them all correct? Thanks for taking the quiz. And stay tuned for more.